Just want to give you a little update on my little seedling starts. As you can see, they're not so little anymore. The summer squash is huge. And I guess I didn't need to start those. I could have just put those seeds right in the ground. But that's okay. I've got plenty of seeds left too. I've got winter squash and summer squash. Look at all of my lettuce and peppers. Super excited about the peppers. Now the peppers I definitely needed to start, and the tomatoes. The onions are good. I got some onion starts at the Mennonite store when I went down to visit my daughter. So I put those out today. I mean, I have those outside already, but I'm going to try to get my garden tilled. I got to talk to the neighbor and see if I can get started this weekend. Look at those peppers. Those are jalapeno peppers. I did go through and trim them down so there's only like two in a container, but I don't want to kill anymore. They're so beautiful, and my cabbages look wonderful. Now, as soon as I get my yard tilled, I'm going to start planting my cabbages and my onions for sure. These are my beefsteak tomatoes. They're looking good, looking so good. Here are my paste tomatoes and beefsteak tomatoes and tomatillos. I hope they grow a little bit. I mean, I still have another month for these to be planted outside. I just watered them with some organic fish fertilizer. So that's what you're seeing in the containers. But that has really helped them grow a lot. So I'm going to keep doing that every couple of days. I'm going to put that organic fish fertilizer in there. That is a great thing for these plants. Thank you, Jessica, for that. But that is my garden starts. I'm super excited about it. Just wanted to give you an update. Thanks, everybody. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. And I have a lot more stuff coming this year, so look forward to showing you everything I have coming. Thank you again for watching my channel. I appreciate it very much. Bye.